human sensory motor control system is extremely robust. Although the sensing is distributed, sparse, quantized, noisy, and delayed, the computing in the central nervous system is slow. The muscle actuation fatigues and saturates. To study these causal factors and the consequence on the system performance of sensory motor control, it is important to develop an easy-to-use experimental platform which manipulates these factors and record performance. Here we present a gaming platform called WheelCon. It is a free and open-source platform to design video games for a virtual environment that simulates riding a mountain bike down a steep, twisting, bumpy trail. WheelCon integrates with a steering wheel. It can invasively manipulate the variables in human sensory motor control system, such as signaling delay, quantization, noise, and disturbance, while recording the motor control trajectory and aerodynamics. It also allows research to study the layered architecture in sensory motor control, including the higher layers goals, plans, decisions, and the lower layers sensing, reflex, and action.
On a computer running Windows 10, go to the WheelCon webpage, click Clone or Download, then click Download Zip in a pop-up dialog. Extract all the files to the local hard drive.